We've been waiting 5 years to come to New Zealand, and it was worth the wait. Auckland, New Zealand as a destination is fantastic.
The landscape, the people, the food, the wine.
The nature is fantastic. The people are so kind.
I feel like this is a place at home, away from home.
IALC has been a family for me since many years, and I just love the quality of the schools that I get here.
It's like a huge international get-together that we have every year, and you meet new people, but it's also a great opportunity to see your friends from all over the world.
And you realize that you are not alone in many issues that you face as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. That's one of the beautiful sides of attending these conferences.
Everyone is so close to each other, everyone is supporting each other. When the weather was really bad, we kept on telling each other that we can stay strong.
We got an umbrella and we said, hey, come here.
We had a wonderful evening last night in Waiheke, getting a boat out, going to a vineyard, and really getting a chance to meet with agents and to sit down and chat and talk in a really good format.
We also learnt a haka, and I'm not sure how good we were, but it was lots of fun, very cultural, rich experience, not just a workshop.
We believe in IALC because they certify the schools and they certify the agencies. What helps advise students correctly is to know the places, to know the schools, and to know the people.
The organization shows something very special in different countries, and it's very beautiful experience.
We love taking our friends and our partners to the beautiful destinations that IALC offers, and it's great to be here.
Breathtaking!